Well, yesterday, in one of his final acts as a fine President of the United States, Barack Obama commuted the prison sentence of Chelsea Manning. This action will be welcomed by many in Wales. Though a US citizen, Chelsea Manning was educated as Bradley Manning in Tasker Millwood School, Haverfordwest. A school friend there described her as unique, very quirky, very opinionated, very political, very clever, very articulate. In 2010, as a serving US Army officer, Chelsea Manning released an enormous amount of secret data to WikiLeaks and The Guardian newspaper. Her leaks revealed the scale and depth of human rights abuses in the Middle East following military intervention. Chelsea Manning did not flee justice, but faced the consequences of her actions and stood trial. During this process, she also began to identify as a woman. Her penalty has been severe, a 35-year military prison sentence to be served as a woman in a male military prison. She has had long periods of solitary confinement. The response of the authorities to a suicide attempt was another period of solitary confinement. She has suffered enormously and disproportionately for her offence. After all, the US now has a president-elect who publicly calls for the illegal hacking of democratic institutions. So President Obama has extended compassion to Chelsea Manning, and in doing so has upheld values that I, and I hope the Assembly, hold dear.